So as per intro, today we're doing something different. Going back to my roots, audio, car audio. What I've been known for many years. So my channel being Eclipse Automotive. So a lot of the things that I will be doing, besides what I've been doing on Project Gremlin, is also audio based. And today, just to get the whole ball rolling with the audio stuff that you'll be seeing on the channel, this is an unboxing of an amplifier I've been waiting for some time. So Reference Audio is a local brand to South Africa. I've been using their products for many years now already, and I've always had good results. Always never really disappointed with the product. And these amplifiers, the TiVo range, well, this is the new X series, have been very popular from the first TiVo range amplifiers. I should find a picture of one somewhere and show you. And then yeah, these are the new TiVo X amplifiers, this specifically being the new 5-channel. This is a client amplifier. So I said, let me just while I've got the amplifier, let me do a quick unboxing and show you what it's all about. Firstly, the packaging is absolutely stunning. Magnetic lid here. And then of course we've got the constructions and warranty card when you do blow it, and then blame the product. Then we have so it's a little RJ, it's 45, I don't know, and to 3.5mm jack for the bass controller, which is subwoofer volume controller. It's that. Let's just take it out of the plastic here. There we go. That's that. On that side. Then we have a little packet here. Fuses, screws, and some Allen keys, of course, for the screws and stuff on the amplifier. I'll show you that just now. And then we have these cables, which are of course your RCA inputs, low level inputs that plug into the amplifier. And then, last but not least, we have the amplifier, which, as you can see, is quite small. I'll bring something else to compare so you can see the physical size of it. Finishing really very stunning. This color, this grayish color, is really nice. And then as you can see there, it says that it's a Class D 5-channel amplifier. Class D topology on the power supply, hence the reason they can become so small, unlike previous, well, you still get Class AB amplifiers that are much bigger, but of course the sound tone is a lot different. If you look on this side, we've got our power inputs and of course our speaker outputs. The 4 channels output, you're looking at 100 watts RMS per channel, and then the sub output does 150 watts RMS at 4 ohms. And if I'm not mistaken, we just have a look at the box here. It's 300 RMS at 2 ohms, and then at 1 ohm it does 500 RMS. Quite impressive for this little amplifier. And then of course here we have all our controls. Gain, which is not a volume control. Everybody just turns it up. And yeah, let me just stuff. And then of course that's those plugs for your RCA inputs, of course, front channel, rear channel, and subwoofer. And then here you can select, so you can only use, you can use a single RCA input or 2-channel input. If your head unit only has 2 RCA outputs, and then switch it to that position, and then it will distribute the signal to the other channels as well. And then of course, you know, your basic low pass filters and stuff like that on the amplifier. All in all, really nice amplifier, quite small. Yeah, as you can see, physical size. Look at my horrid little PS3 controller. It's very dirty, hasn't been used in forever, but yeah, look at size wise, that amplifier is quite small. So this will actually, for stealth installs, even if you want to build a nice booth setup, you can put a few of these in the car because they're so tiny, and they not take up much space. Interestingly enough, the previous, well, not the previous, there's the normal TiVo 5-channel amplifier, Class D amplifier, which is a bit bigger than this. Small chassis, of course. Being that small and with the heatsink, actually the amplifier is quite heavy for its size, so it should have it's got a rather solid heatsink on it. What does it sound like? Metallic. Well, we'll have to wait for another episode for that. When I do have it fitted, I can look it up on my system here in my workshop, but yeah, better effect in the car itself. But yeah, stay tuned. There will be more unboxing videos, some reviews as well. And yeah, if you haven't already, please like, share and subscribe. Help keep this algorithm going, because my channel seems to be going nowhere slowly. Yeah, take care. Ciao.